Hey everyone, at Moneymaker we are not licensed or registered as a broker, so all these videos you see are for educational purposes only. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube Moneymaker channel in the bottom right hand corner there so you'll receive all future videos. Hey everybody, this is Jerome with Moneymaker. I wanted to cover a couple of trades. This first one's about gold, which was a few weeks ago, and I just forgot to make a little recording about it. So I took a little screenshot, and I'll explain it. You can read up here. It's the 1st of December. It was gold. We got in at about 1780 and got out at about 1830. It was a nice $5,000 profit in 2 days. 3 days, actually. I should have typed that in better, but it took 3 days because we got in over here, whatever day that was. I think that was a Monday or Tuesday. It was the 1st of December. And we got in because the indicator started spreading down here, the yellow line going down, the red and the green had crossed. And the first thing that you do is to close a candle above the white line, which we did there about 1780. And we just rode it all the way up to the aqua line, which was about 1830. So again, just a hell of a nice trade, great profit in just a couple of days. This was on a 1 hour time frame. You can see right here, and this is the gold futures market, and one standard contract would have been $5,000. So again, a great trade. Just wanted to touch that because a lot of people trade gold. They do have a micro account, which you can have a lot less money in your account to trade as well on a smaller account. Now I'm going to jump to a couple more quick trades that happened very recently. This is the gold trade I was just talking about, but these two here, I'm going to go ahead and go over those because, again, look at the date, December 14th. That's actually today's date. Both of these trade with the in the Forex market with the pound, US dollar, and the Dow Jones in the regular market. Both started on Friday and they ended up today. Both of them had a nice little profit. Look at there, $1,000 on the pound dollar and $1,600 on the Dow Jones. Who's complaining? It's one day. Theoretically, the markets are closed on the weekend, got in Friday and got out today. And I'll show you those real quick. This is going to be the British pound. Over here you can see the 1 hour time frame. Again, Friday afternoon. This is Friday afternoon. We got in this candle right about there. What does it say? 132. We got out at 133.90. So anyway, we got in here about 132, so 23, you can see it there to the right, about 132.20, and just rode all that way up here until this is one of the you noticed how we got above the aqua line. This is one of the caveats to the spread indicator. You can trade it longer than that target if you want to. Okay, everybody's different. There's just different ways to do everything. So I'm going to show you different ways that I look at these. If there was a good target up there, that could have got out. You could have got out there really easily, and that would have been a nice target. Some of the times you want to take these things and just ride them until even if it goes above that target, like we did there. And I said, well, we're going to wait. You want to wait until you get down and it closes below the white line again. So that's where it closed at 33.90, as you can see, and we played it that way. Still made that $1,000 profit, okay? Good deal. There's nothing wrong with that. Again, just a different way of getting from A to B. Same thing on this Dow Jones. Let me get over to that. Here we go. The Dow Jones, mini Dow Jones, 1 hour contract. This was Friday afternoon. Started right there. You can see with the indicator spread. Game on. And we closed above there, and it was the same thing. There was a short target. Sure, you could do that, but the other piece you can do is ride that wave until it closes below, the candle closes below the white line. It didn't there because it was still green, but it did here, and that was a pretty big drop. But still, we got out about 30,070, 74 is what it was where it closed at. But look at there, $1,600 profit. Not complaining. I don't think anybody would. So those are two just quick trades I wanted to show you that kind of happened, and they just closed out. So the next thing I want to do, I'm going to touch on the website because there are things we do on the website that people don't realize what our services are. You can get these for $99 a month. Some of it's free. You can go down. This is the home page, myspreadindicator.com. I put a few YouTube videos over here. Put all my YouTube videos on YouTube, and you can subscribe down there in the bottom right hand corner. You can click on the Moneymaker logo and you'll get all the videos. But my point is, you can get the free emails. You can get free emails and videos just by signing up down here. Okay, I mean, you can go to YouTube and get on there, but this will get you emails. And the point about the emails I like is that if you have a question, send it. If I can do a little video about it, I will. It helps everybody. That's what this is about, just trying to help each other, okay? And this is the home page. Next is the services, and I just want to touch on. All right, we're going to talk about the services tab real quick for a couple of minutes. And I'm going to read this, and then I'll give you a breakdown of what we're talking about here. Besides our spread indicator that we provide you alerts for and all that for your membership fees, here we do all the work for you at Moneymaker. What we do that's really a big hit, and a lot of people don't know about, has worked very well, is that we'll provide you with a list of stocks and ETFs for their best 8-week period, increase 8-week period, based on the previous 52 weeks, which is a year. It's a rotating year, and then all the results from that are based on factual data. That means it's not about the spread indicator. It's not about what I think. This is factual data that's been accumulated over the last 10 years from brokerage houses on all the stocks and ETFs out there, and we track that, and we purchase that information, and then we can send it to you. Whether you want to pick your own stocks, whether it's Apple, Netflix, Adobe, whoever, it doesn't matter. We can pick them and send them to you and give you updates every month, or you can pick which stocks you want, stocks, ETFs, what you want, and we'll send you the data of when their best 8-week period is. But there's enough out there that we can provide you with 8 or 10 or 12 of these every month, and we'll get back to that in a minute. So when we do that, whether you pick them or we pick them, I'll send you the date a week early so you can start watching it. And again, whether it's our stock, your stock, I'll send you an exit date and then a percentage of projected increase over the next 8 to 12 weeks that have produced double-digit returns at least 8 out of the previous 10 years. Double digits. That's like at least 10% over 8 weeks. Dude, that's great. I mean, over 1%, any trader will take that. And a lot of times it's a lot bigger than that. And I'll show you an example of that. I'll try to show you an example here in a minute. So in a nutshell, we'll send you winning picks for stocks, ETFs, that have produced winning trades, at least double-digit percentage winners in 8 to 12 weeks, projected 80% of the time, based on 10 years of historical factual data. Okay? And included, obviously, you'll still get the daily trade alerts based on the indicator, a spread indicator, and you'll get email and constant contact with the group. So let me give you a better example. What I'm going to do, I'll go up to the pricing page here, and we'll talk. I'll explain that a little more. So, well, it's coming, I believe. There we go. So, again, for $99 a month, you can start. First, you'll get the alerts and all that. You'll get your videos and alerts, but this is what I'm talking about. For $99 a month, you can pick any 10 stocks you want me to project for you, or I'll send you the top 10 every month. That'll give you 10 stocks a month you can look at to buy or trade. Again, I'll start you a week ahead of time. I'll send you the exit date, and I'll send you the percentage of 8 to 12 weeks, what the increase should be based on 10 years of historical data that have won 80% of the time. You want 15 of those, it's $149 a month. 25 of them, $195. I mean, there's people that do that easily. Not a problem. It's just that simple if you're that big. So I've got all the price levels for small, medium, and large traders. But these guys win, and they win 8 out of 10, 80%. Anybody that trades would take 80% anytime, any day. So let me see if I can find you a quick example down here. I know this time of year, on some of this, a lot of people travel. So I've got Delta Airlines at the, before Thanksgiving, people start flying. So here I've got my toss, think, or swim up. If you look down at the bottom, I'm looking at about the end of October, okay? And look at the stock. It was down here about $30 at the end of October, and here comes November. Even with COVID and nobody flying this year and all this is what's amazing, and that's why I wanted to bring out an airline stock. I'm trying to get excited and not be too excited, but this just shows you unbelievable how accurate some of this information can be. Here, COVID 2020, and nobody's flying. You're not encouraged to fly, but look at this stock. It's gone from 30, it's up to $43 in just a couple of months. But what I want to show you, a lot of people that trade stocks, a lot of people trade options, and so I want to show you what the option was at if you'd have bought this option back around the 1st of November or so. However, again, not based on any of my moving averages and protocol. Everybody trades differently, but if you'd have bought this stock, knowing the airline increases around the holiday season, if you'd have bought this stock, about a call on this stock for about $30, I'll show you, and then I'll show you what it's worth today. All right, so over here in my analyze, if I look at, here's the calendar, 11 to November 2nd. I know you can't see all that, but you can see the date. Okay, back then that $31 call was worth about $3.50 in between here and that. So now I'm going to put like today's date in there, and if when you get a call, again, 8 weeks to 12 weeks is what we project. Here it is, November. You got November, December. You still got January to go. So get the holidays out of the way, right? But I'm going to show you what this call would be worth today. You bought it at $3. You're talking about making some profit. Look where this would be. Well, I'm going the wrong way. December, today's the 14th. That $31 call would be $10.30. You had 300% profit from $3 to $10. How do you go wrong? Here you go. This is a live example. I mean, this is as current as they get. So I wanted to show you that. That's a service we provide, that a lot of people don't realize, and we do it well for all the members. And so I hope you see the value of that, and you jump right in to at least stick your toe in the water with the $99 per month contract. There's no contract. I shouldn't have said contract. The agreement is anytime you want out, you just give me a 30-day notice, because they're billed at calendar month. You get a 30-day. You give me a 30-day notice if you want out, and you're out. It's that easy. Here's the cart. You can get on here and click on the cart. You can buy it. This is all done through PayPal. You go down here, you add to your cart whatever you want, and it'll come to PayPal, and then we'll take it from there. But I just had to show you that because a lot of people don't realize all the services that we do provide. Members only. This is where if you sign up, you'll get a password, and this is where the alerts would be every day, and even little videos about the alerts, ahead of like what I showed you today. So that's the other piece you get as a member. Obviously, you get a members area as part of your monthly fee. But I wanted to take a minute and just show you the website. Go over there and review it. It doesn't take long. It's easy to look at. It's easy to read. But I really wanted to show you these two little trades that just popped really well just that quickly using the power of that indicator. So I hope that helps you trade. I hope you have a great week. And I'll see you on the next video.